Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Welcome to another vlog. Like we said in a previous video, the one video was this tough, depressing Challenger news. We're gonna pick a random commenter. I know we originally said we were gonna do a subscriber, but it's extremely difficult, and I guess you have to download some type of software, download all your subscribers into that software, and then some subscribers are invisible that are actually subscribed, because if they don't have it visible on their channel, you can't see it. So
this is, got time for that.
Yeah, this is probably the easiest way to do that. So Dominic Calderoni was our 3,000 subscriber. Dominic has yet to come contact us. We reached out to him in a private YouTube message. We also posted it in 3 other videos for him to respond. I believe it was 3. It was either 2 or 3 other videos for him to respond, and we actually put it in the description as well and in the comments. And
hope all is well with you, Dominic.
Yeah, we wanted to give you the Ram Beast merch, but unfortunately we can't wait. We got to give this to someone else. We want someone to receive it, like the wife said in the video.
That's right.
That's what she said.
That's what she said.
So let's go in here. We're gonna pick a random commenter. We're gonna pick a random commenter in this video through the TubeBuddy app. So you're gonna click on the TubeBuddy application, pick a winner.
Say.
And we're gonna pick a random winner. Black Pearl, you are the winner. You're the official winner of Ram Beast merch.
Boop, boop, boop.
So please reach out to us, contact us, send us a private message with your information. Actually, we'll get the wife in here.
Hey.
So please reach out to us, send us your information so we can send you some Ram Beast merch. Our wife's all excited to send you some Ram Beast merch.
Yeah. I'm hungry and I don't know what to have for dinner.
Yeah, the wife's hungry. I'm hungry. I know what I want.
I want salmon, but I forgot to take it out this morning.
And for our 5,000 subscriber, we gotta figure out how we're gonna handle that too. I'm thinking what I'm gonna do is, when we get closer to 5,000, we're gonna do a video and we're gonna tell you guys to comment below that you subscribed and that you follow Ram Beast Projects on Instagram and Headlight Revolution on Instagram to actually win the HID kit or the LED kit.
Yeah, we're gonna have to make sure.
That's the way to do it. I mean, that's the only way to verify it. So, once you comment in the comments below, and we can verify it. We'll do it on video once we pick a random winner. That way we can send it out. I think that's the best way of doing it. What do you think?
Yeah, either that way they could screenshot that they subscribe to us, or if I, in all my free time, if I can get all 3,000 into a thing, but.
Just include Instagram username so we can go on our accounts to verify that you actually did follow.
Yeah, but more details and more in-depth details for that later.
Yeah, we'll figure it out. We'll figure the best way of doing it. We'll do some more research because I didn't realize this would be this difficult to pick.
Smitty problem.
Yeah, no, we just want to give some Ram Beast merch away, and we got to go through all this craziness. But Black Pearl, and it looks like he drives. Well, let's click on his page. A 2011 Ram Laramie, dubbed the Black Pearl. North Carolina.
I feel as if we've spoken with him before.
I think I have. He's definitely commented on some of our videos, so.
Yeah, because if I recognize your name, then that speaks volumes.
So hit us up, man. We're looking forward to sending you the merch. And you can send us some photos of you wearing it, or decal, or whatever we decide to send you. Whatever the wife decides to send you. She's the one that's in charge of that.
Yeah, I got you.
Anyway, this is a quick, short video. We really don't have any other updates. I do want to say one thing. I want to wish my father a happy birthday. He would be 67 years old today if he was still with us. God bless him. And we appreciate all you guys. We appreciate all your support, all the commenting. We read all the comments, and you actually might notice that there's a little creeper in there named Mrs. Ram Beast Projects. She's actually going to be responding to some of your comments as well. So, again, we appreciate everything, and we got another video coming out this Friday. The wife's doing another mod on our 4Runner. This one's interesting.
Did I do it already?
No, you did the video.
Oh, okay, then I know what it is. I was thinking of something else. I'm like, what am I doing now?
No, you did the video.
Yeah.
We didn't upload it yet, but it will be uploaded by Friday. What's back by popular demand?
Me.
The rooster.
rooster.
If that is even a rooster.
It's my calling.
So.
I'm gonna start doing that now. Maybe to get the kids in. It's time for dinner.
You should. They don't come in. Alright guys, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Give us a thumbs up if you did. If you're stopping by the first time, please subscribe. We love you. We'll see you at the next upload.
Stay